G'day viewers, this is Troy from Troy's Digital Arts channel. Free videos on this camera restoration project in one night, eh? Right, well I've got some really good news. I've put one of those Hitachi 1-inch vidicon tubes in, 7262A, and sure enough, the camera now produces a picture. How about that? So yeah, I did not need to check for circuit faults or anything. Just needed the tube replaced because the other tube was faulty. But anyway, so that's good news. However, I've now got problems with the viewfinder because I'm struggling to get the vertical hold to stay stable. I finally got it to stay stable. With great difficulty. So yeah, I've got issues in the viewfinder, which is probably I probably have. It could be even just be the pots might be dirty and need electrical cleaner on them. That could be the case, or it could be dried caps and out of tolerance resistors maybe. I don't know. I'm only speculating. I honestly don't know. But anyway, I've got the monitor stable for the moment, and it's making a rather soft picture, but it's making a picture all the same. I better move the camera over, otherwise I'm gonna lose I'm going to get a burn in. Sorry, I'm just not thinking. But yeah, no, I have to move the camera out of the way, otherwise I'm going to get burn-ins because I'm using a vidicon tube. But anyway, it's making a picture. How's that? It was making an extremely blurry picture, but yeah, I adjusted the back focus. I think this adjusts the rack focusing or something. This control here, I'm not sure. It is a focus control. And I've also adjusted some potentiometers on the side here, which is adjust the beam current and the target and that sort of thing. Those controls there. The top one I think might be it's all listed down here. It's like you got I, B and T. So I'd say the T is the target, B is I guess the beam current. Oh no, that is an F. That's an electrical focus control. So yeah, I adjusted the focus and was able to get near focused, but yeah, it's still rather soft. But then again, the lens I'm using, you need to, I think it's one of those lenses where you have to stand a considerable distance away from the camera to be in focus. It's one of those, I'm not sure what the lens specifications is. It's one of those Fujinon lenses. I think it's a 1:7. I'm not really best at reading lenses, but yeah, I think it could be a 35mm lens. That's my guessing. Anyway. So yeah, main thing is it's making a picture now, but I'm having troubles with the viewfinder, so I'll fix that up. It'd probably be a good idea to replace the old electrolytic capacitors in it anyways, and just spruce it up so it's making a really good picture pretty much. All right, well. Anyway, that's about it for this video. This is a project successfully not quite completed, but I've successfully made a picture on this camera, so I'm happy. I'm really happy about that. All right, stay tuned for my next video when I do further work on this camera. This is Troy from Troy's Digital Arts channel, signing out.